In primetime news this evening,
I will conscientiously and impartially discharge my responsibilities.
the JLP, 1 year after taking office, we assess the performance of the government. High-risk destination, United States warns citizens against travel to Jamaica because of COVID-19 concerns. And later, health experts warn about face-to-face classes in light of COVID threat.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, in what areas do you think the government must improve on to better serve citizens? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.